Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be chatting all about this cute little bucket bag from Tory Burch. So a couple of months back, I think it was like summertime, I purchased a couple of pair of shoes during Tory Burch's semi-annual sale. I love their like Miller sandals, and I have a couple of pairs of like nicer heels and wedge shoes, but I grabbed a couple and they ended up being too small, one pair, and another pair I just didn't like. It was kind of like a bubble sandal that I had gotten for summer and it was just not it. But I was traveling and I missed the return window. So when I went to return them, I was given a store credit instead of a like a refund to my original payment method. So anyways, I had this credit for a couple of months now and I've been looking and I was waiting and I was like, I really want to buy like a cute fall winter like Tory Burch bag, like a new one that is going to be coming out and like something that I like have to have because it's been like a really long, if ever, that I bought like a new release type item from Tory Burch. So anyways, long story long, here we are. I found this adorable bucket bag from Tory Burch, which is a style that I've kind of been eyeing for a while, but I wasn't sure if I really wanted it. And then I saw that they released this brand new color. I will put the exact color name down below because I want to say it was like a maroon or it was a color name that doesn't match the color of the bag in my opinion. So I want to say it was like a maroon, and it's definitely more of like a deep like brown color. But I saw it come up available and I loved the contrast with the gold hardware. I thought it was just so pretty and just really nice kind of leading into fall and winter. So I grabbed it and thought I would kind of go through it and share it with you. All right, so zooming in here on the bag, you can see that it has the Tory Burch logo all the way throughout the leather on this bag, and the hardware is a really pretty gold color. It is not a brushed gold. It's definitely like a shiny gold, but it's not an ugly gold, if that makes sense. Sometimes this like brass colored gold is just so yellow that it's just awful, but this is a really pretty hardware color. The bucket bag opens and closes by this little kind of logo buckle, if you will, which I think is kind of cool. You just push in on the logo and then the bag kind of opens. It's hard to do holding it this way, but I liked the way that it opened and closed there. And then it is just an open style bucket bag. There's no zippers or anything like that. You do have one pocket all the way in there on the interior of the bag, but besides that, you don't have any more pockets or anything on this one. It's just a regular like classic bucket bag. Now this one here is the largest one that they have. I believe they have a mini version of this, but this is the bigger of the two. It is not a very big bag by any means. It's definitely small and compact and cute for like a night out or like an everyday carry, but you're not gonna fit a lot in this one. One of my favorite features about this bag is actually the handle on it. You can carry it basically two ways here. You can carry it over the crook of your arm like so, with like the strap on the smallest setting here, or just carry it as like a cute little kind of like grab bag, if you will. But the strap actually unhooks here on the sides. You can see there's two different snap closures, but if you unsnap them, like so, you can actually pull the strap longer like this all the way up to make it a shoulder carry. And you do have another strap, or not another strap, another snap here at the top that you can like secure the strap this way like so, and then you kind of create a longer shoulder strap bag. Like for a shoulder carry. It's definitely not long enough to wear crossbody. There's no additional strap or anything with this one. Those are just kind of the two different ways that you can carry it. Sorry, I lied. This bag absolutely does come with a crossbody strap. I'm sorry. You have the D-rings here on the side of the bag. I just looked actually online to see if it does come with a crossbody strap. This one does. I have not used it, so clearly I didn't even know that I had one that came with a bag because I just use it by the shoulder strap, or I make the strap smaller and kind of carry it over the crook of my arm. But if you want to be able to wear the bag crossbody, it does come with a strap. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and pack this bag up so you can see kind of really what fits inside of this bag, because that was one thing that was hard for me to distinguish online when I was looking at the different sizes and seeing how big this bag actually was. I will also put a link down below to this bucket bag, as well as a link to my What's in My Bag blog post page that kind of lives on the blog. If you're looking for a link to anything that I've shared, kind of packed in any of my bags, the odds are you will find it linked there. But if not, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, here we are all packed up here. There's no pockets obviously on the outside of this bag, but I did attach over here, just on the ring that you can attach the crossbody strap to, a Mina Bay leather pouch, and this is in their cocoa color, which I think matches really, really well with this bag. I also have a pouch that is in the same color from the same brand inside, which you'll see in a second. But these are just nice because you can clip them on pretty much anything, and you can use them for a lot of different things. So what I like to put in mine is my AirPods. You can put like a hand sanitizer in here. You could put cash and change, hair ties, charging cables. Like I said, I've used them for like everything, but this is just kind of a convenient way for me to keep my AirPods attached to the bag. So I have that on the outside, and then as you can see, because of how I have it packed up right now, I have a lot of like horizontal things, but I'm still able to really cinch the top of it. Now 9 times out of 10 when I'm wearing it, I don't even have it like cinched at all. It's just kind of like open, but that's just like how I typically have my bags, so I'll just like wear it open like that. But I just kind of wanted to point that out, because if I didn't have these longer items, you could cinch it like really, really tight if that was something that was important to you. But looking down at the inside here, you can see I have my wallet. I have a medium Mina Bay pouch from their pouch trio, and this is in that same color, which I'll show you in a second. And then I have my Kindle. There's one pocket on the inside of this bag, and that is back here in the back. It is a leather pocket. I just have my car key kind of shimmied in that pocket there. And then I also have my hand sanitizer loose in there. This is my favorite one, and I'm almost out of it, as you can see, so I need to get another one. But it is the Gentle Mist Touchland hand sanitizer. This makes my hand so crazy soft and like super hydrated. It's, like I said, it's my favorite for sure. So that's the only thing I had back here in this like leather back pocket. And then moving everything else out from the inside, I have my wallet up here in the front, and there's a little bit of extra room, especially if you don't cinch it at all. Like I could have put my glasses over here and I don't know, maybe like a granola bar or something. Like you have a little bit of extra room. So, but I have my Hammett wallet. This has been my favorite wallet. You guys have seen it in a bunch of different videos. I can't seem to move out of it, but it is really soft and it's like a really nice leather. So this is the wallet I've been in for a minute. Then of course I have my Kindle back here in the back, little case that I had gotten off of Amazon. And then last but not least is that pouch I was telling you about. This is the medium leather pouch from Mina Bay. They have nylon and leather, maybe even vegan leather option. But this fits really nicely down in here, and it kind of protects the inside of the bag a little bit. I did have a bunch of, as you can see, there's like a little thing down in there. I don't know what that is. But I just like having the pouch down in there because it kind of just protects the light colored on the inside of this bag. So I think it works out kind of really well like that. But this is what the pouch looks like here. Like I said, it is the medium size. There's a bigger one and a smaller one. They all have D-rings on the side, and they come with a strap. So it's kind of a neat little trio. But in here I have all my small stuff. I have a body spray. I have a baggie of gum because my container broke, so I just shoved it in the Ziploc. This is a pillowcase, and then hand cream. I have my Merit Beauty lip oil. This has been such a favorite for me. I'll try to link the exact color because it's really good. And then of course my Laneige lip mask that I wear all the time. A couple hair ties. So you guys get the drift. It's like all my little small odds and ends in there. So that's everything that I had packed down inside my Tory Burch bucket bag. I love this bag so much. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were curious about this little bucket bag here from Tory Burch. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave those down below. I am always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.